welcome to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. I'm Mike, and today what I have for you is a little bit of an unusual cocktail. This actually combines rye whiskey, cognac, and gin, interestingly enough, alongside sweet vermouth to form what's called the Chauncey. So let's get right to it. So let me get some stuff out of the way so that can be seen here. And first up, in our mixing glass, let's get some ice. Alrighty, and now we need to get 3/4 ounce. There it is. We need to get 3/4 ounce of cognac. Hopefully that's enough in this. More than enough. And then let's get some vermouth. We're using Antica here, although I've been playing with Martini and Rossi sweet vermouth, and it's been fantastic as well. And I'm using Uma Gin here, just up in New Eden, Utah. And again, it's 3/4 ounces all the way down. And finally, Sugar House Rye Whiskey. And finally, some orange bitters. And we stir. I definitely, when I made this cocktail, I was a little bit surprised that it mixed gin and whiskey, and I just had to try it. A little bit intimidated, but had to try it. So let's, that should be good there. And strain that into a coupe glass. It's very full. That is fantastic. It's actually sits very herbal forward. Surprising given how strong of a flavor the rye is. The Antica vermouth is very strong as well. Sits very forward. Phases into the gin and then into a little bit of orange and then off into the rye. And it's the evolution on this cocktail is really fantastic. I really enjoyed it. I've been making it a lot recently. So yeah, keep the spirits.